The term monkey wrench refers to a type of adjustable wrench, characterized by its ability to grip various sizes of nuts and bolts. The origins of the term are steeped in both mechanical history and linguistic evolution, providing an interesting glimpse into the development of tools and their nomenclature. Here is a detailed explanation of why it's called a monkey wrench. Historical and etymological origins. 1. Invention and early use. The monkey wrench is often attributed to the 19th-century American mechanic and inventor Charles Moncky. According to one popular account, Moncky invented the wrench in the 1850s and sold the patent rights for $2,000. This story suggests that the wrench was named after its inventor, Moncky, with the spelling later evolving to monkey to match the animal's name. 2. Charles Moncky. There is, however, some debate over the authenticity of this story. While Charles Moncky is credited in some sources, there is limited concrete evidence supporting his invention of the wrench. The story is appealing because it provides a straightforward origin for the name, but it remains largely anecdotal. 3. Industrial development. The adjustable wrench was a significant innovation during the Industrial Revolution. It allowed mechanics and engineers to work with various sizes of nuts and bolts without needing multiple fixed-size wrenches. This versatility made it an essential tool in many workshops and factories. 4. Etymology. Another theory suggests that the term monkey wrench could be derived from the word monkey as a slang term in the 19th century, meaning something that could be adjusted or manipulated, similar to the tool's adjustable nature. This usage aligns with the idea of the wrench being versatile and handy, much like a monkey's agile and adaptable behavior. Mechanical design and functionality. 1. Adjustable mechanism. The monkey wrench features an adjustable jaw, allowing it to grip fasteners of different sizes. This is achieved through a screw mechanism that moves the lower jaw closer to or farther from the fixed upper jaw. This design makes it highly versatile compared to fixed-size wrenches. 2. Usage. The monkey wrench is commonly used in plumbing, automotive repair, and other mechanical tasks that require the loosening or tightening of variously sized nuts and bolts. Its adjustable nature allows it to be used in situations where multiple sizes of fasteners are encountered. 3. Ergonomic design. The handle of the monkey wrench is typically long and sturdy, providing good leverage and grip for turning tight fasteners. This ergonomic design makes it a favorite among mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Evolution and variants. 1. Modern adjustable wrenches. While the term monkey wrench specifically refers to a particular design of an adjustable wrench with a flat, straight handle and parallel jaws, there are modern variants such as the crescent wrench. The crescent wrench has a similar adjustable mechanism but features a more streamlined and ergonomic design, often with a slight angle to the handle for better accessibility. 2. Other adjustable tools. The principle of the adjustable jaw has been applied to various other tools, such as pipe wrenches, which have serrated jaws for gripping round objects like pipes. The basic concept of an adjustable tool remains a significant advancement in tool design, enhancing the efficiency and versatility of mechanical work. Cultural impact and usage. 1. Idiomatic expressions. The term monkey wrench has also entered idiomatic usage in English. The phrase "throw a monkey wrench into the works" means to cause a disruption or problem in a plan or process. This usage underscores the idea of the monkey wrench as a powerful and impactful tool, capable of altering the outcome of a situation. 2. Pop culture. The monkey wrench has appeared in various forms of media and pop culture, symbolizing mechanical skill, ingenuity, and the ability to fix or disrupt machinery. Its iconic status as a versatile and essential tool ensures its continued presence in both language and visual representation. Summary. The term monkey wrench has an intriguing history rooted in the development of adjustable tools during the Industrial Revolution. While it is popularly attributed to inventor Charles Moncky, the true origin of the name remains somewhat ambiguous. The monkey wrench is characterized by its adjustable jaws, making it a versatile and essential tool in various mechanical and repair tasks. Its design has evolved over time, leading to modern variants like the crescent wrench, which offer improved ergonomics and functionality. The term has also entered idiomatic usage, highlighting its cultural significance and enduring impact on language and industry. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and subscribe for more Why Is It Called a videos.